Hey, what up, Z?
Nothing is up, Carl, apart from my blood pressure and the imminent collapse of my
अस्सलाम
hopes
वालेकुम
and
पब्लिक
dreams.
कैसे हैं आप सब ठीक है
As usual, the forces of darkness have triumphed over good. Life is nothing but misery, briefly
अभी
interspersed
आप
with
लोग देख ही रहे हैं
agony.
हम GTA San Andreas
Homie,
खेल
what
रहे
you
हैं और
on?
उसमें
Whatever it is, you need
बड़े
to
आगे
reduce the
पहुंच
dose.
चुके हैं
Excuse me, but I
अभी
never
आप लोग
take
चेक
drugs.
करिए
We all know drugs are for losers and or sex maniacs. And right now, sex is the last thing on my mind.
Thank God for that.
Berkeley is back.
Oh, Berkeley.
Yes.
Who the fuck is Berkeley?
Oh, just a man I once beat in fair competition. A man literally obsessed with revenge.
Oh, you putting hands on him?
No, please. I never initiate violence.
Oh, I know. You knocked this bitch.
No. I won the prize in the science fair. First prize, that is.
And now he wanna pop you?
Oh.
And they say gangbangers is petty and small-minded. Hey, what's that bleeping sound?
That's him. We shall fight to the end! Berkeley's launched a full-scale attack.
This is insanity!
All batteries commence fire! He's going for my transmitters. If he takes them out, I'll never be able to launch a counterattack.
No problem, man, but they're only toys.
They're not toys. They're just smaller. CJ, bogey's at 12 o'clock. Kamikazes at 6 o'clock. RC Barons at 9 o'clock high, Carl. Great kid, don't get cocky. We've lost the transmitter! Berkeley! As long as we have opposable thumbs, we will fight you! Well done, Carl. Now leave. I must prepare for the battles ahead. Never have so few owed so many. Too little, three... No, that's not it. What is it? We will fight him on the beaches. Well, rooftops.